Got a clip from Hubsan on the Zino 2 and some information you're going to want to stick around for. That's next. Hi everyone, Bill from BillTheDroneReviewer, where I make drone and drone related content. If you're new here, consider hitting the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. Hubsan recently put out a new video on the Zino 2 called Enjoy the New World. So let's go ahead and roll that clip. But also want to let you know, stick around after the clip. I got some updated information you're going to want to hear.
Stand taller and look farther. Open your eyes. Everyone can become a great photographer. Go outside, yearning for the sun. Pursue the distance, then the world can be wider. For this time, brand new generation Zino 2 immersed you to positions out of sight. The upgrade is more than a little on this occasion. Added visual sensor at the bottom, enabled superior environmental awareness, acquires the powerful low-light fixed-point capability, lets you fly with precise positioning and hovers more stable, either browsing nature or recording beautiful moments. To see a full expanse of worlds and explore the unknown, Zino 2 uses the latest LEES 2.0 image transmission system. Based on the new architecture design, obtained the ability to adapt to complex environments. Maximum image transmission distance increased to 6 kilometers. Lets you discover the wonderful far off. Zino 2 comes with a stronger power system. Maximum flight velocity increased to 20 meters a second. Lets you enjoy dedicated to discover the new world. Adopted smart battery, created battery management unit, and self-learning mechanism, which maximize the battery lifetime to 33 minutes. Zino 2 benefits from its powerful flight control auto-stabilization system. Flight stability and wind resistance were equally remarkable in windy conditions. Take you on a fun shooting journey. A simple lifestyle is relaxing and comfortable. So is Zino 2. AI vision assists precise landing, automatically searching apron landing, quickly locates an accurate return. What is terrific, Zino 2's newly designed enhanced 3-axis gimbal stabilization system. Enable record the shot stably and smoothly. The modular design of the gimbal facilitates replacement and quick disassembly. Zino 2 equipped with an upgraded image acquisition system. Records non-destructive 4K 60 FPS video that captures more image detail. Also, support full HD 120 FPS slow motion video, inviting you to feel the time close up. Take photos in the RAW format. Video shooting support SLN RAW mode that reserves more video details to give you a realistic visual feast. Everyone has the tool to discover beauty. Let's embrace this colorful world. Zino 2 can shoot amazing time-lapse videos with one click. Experience the ever-changing world of light and shadow. Create time-lapse works that are undetectable to the naked eye. Zino 2 uses SONY 1 out of 2.3-inch image sensor, endowing an outstanding capability to capture light and shadow. The dual DSP hardcore unit guaranteed the ability to process 4K video data, help you to experience the rich in beauty for city. Free to adjust the color and shooting parameters, with customizable color and white balance when taking photos and videos. Present your creative blockbusters with color. Upgraded AI image follow. Let Zino 2 become your intimate photography partner, improving the response speed, increasing type identifications, provide arbitrary shooting for you, achieving a more accurate image following. Movie mode provided a more precise altitude control. You can adjust the speed of the tilt axis of the gimbal on app, meet various needs of shooting speed, lends professional, smooth, and unique effects to your work. Come into your life, discover the world. Orbit shooting, 360-degree shooting, line fly mode, panorama mode. Interact with nature, life with your heart. Feel every beauty on Earth. Yes, you will find the world filled with fun and joy. Hubsan Zino 2 Freshen Up. Widen your horizon, explore the world. A refreshing change. Give a good account.
Let's go ahead and, without any further ado, get to that updated information. Now, I'm going to throw a slide up on the screen, and you're going to take a look at it. And this is from Gearbest webpage. And you take a look here. It is still on sale for $399. And according to the website, that's going to be going through January 13th. So the good news is you can still purchase the Hubsan Zino 2 for $399. After that date, after January 13th, it's going to go up to $499. The other piece of news I'd like to share with you is that firmware updates will now be done through the app. If you can remember the Zino 1, and this is something that probably scared me away from the Zino 1, was the laborious process of doing a firmware update. It's nowhere near like other drone manufacturers. It was a very cumbersome and tedious process, and kudos to all of those who put videos out there on YouTube regarding the firmware update process. Well, Hubsan has listened, and what they have done is a couple of things here. Number one, Chris had reported that Hubsan has actually come out with a new app. It's called the X Hubsan 2 app. Chris, a QC guy, thank you for reporting that, Chris. And as you see in this comment string here that I'm going to put up from one of my YouTube videos, that the firmware updates are now going to be done through the app. This is going to make it incredibly easy to get firmware updates out to both the drone and to the controller and to get you up in the air, which is, I think, absolutely fantastic news. Question of the day, what do you think of this news regarding the Zino 2? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.